Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about interesting facts in human body. So stay till last and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. So let's get into the video. Fact number 1. Your fingernail grows 2 to 3 times as fast as your toenails. Let's see the reason. A fingernail replaces itself about 6 months while a toenail takes a year. Feet are the farthest afield in the circulatory scheme of things. The better blood supply to the fingers keep them chugging along has a faster clip. Nails are basically protective, and since our fingers are busier than toes, they are most likely to need replacing. Also, constant exposure to sun and air make their growth faster. Fact number 2. Eyelashes last about 150 days. Let's see the reason. Our eyelashes fall out completely and replenish themselves every 150 days. They regrow until they reach the optimum length, fall out and replenish themselves again. Although everyone's shedding cycle varies slightly in length, but every set of human eyelashes goes through this pattern. Fact number 3. Your blood has the same amount of salt in it as the ocean does. Let's see the reason. Not only blood mostly water, but the watery portion of blood, the plasma, has a concentration of salt and other ions that are similar to the seawater. Fact number 4. You are taller in morning than you are at night. Let us see the reason behind it. While we are lying down in rest position, the spine is set to spread out or decompress. So when we wake up in the morning, we are taller after lying in the bed all night. Wow, that is interesting. Fact number 5. Many more boys are colorblind than girls are. Let us see the reason behind it. Many of the genes involved in color vision are on the X chromosome, making color blindness much more common in males than females because males have only one X chromosome while females have 2 X chromosomes. Fact number 6. The largest muscle in your body is the one you're sitting on. सोचो क्या होगा? Yes, you're right. It's gluteus maxima. Let's see the reason. It is the largest muscle in the human body. It is large and powerful because it has the job of keeping the trunk of your body in an erect posture. Okay. Fact number 7. Your lungs are the only organs in your body that floats. Okay. Let's get into the reason. The total surface area of alveoli is the size of a tennis court. The lungs are the only organ that can float in the water. The lung produces the detergent-like substance which reduces the surface tension of the fluid linings, allowing air in. Fact number 8. Food spends up to 6 hours in stomach being digested. Okay, so let's see the reason. Digestion time varies among individuals and between man and woman. After you eat, it takes about 6 to 8 hours of food to pass through your stomach and small intestine. Then the food enters the large intestine for further digestion, absorption of water, and finally elimination of undigested food. Fact number 9. Bones are 4 times stronger than concrete. Okay, let's see the reason. Your bones are composed of 31% of water, whereas there are only 15 to 20% of water in concrete. That's why it makes bones 4 times stronger than concrete. Wow, कैल्शियम और पानी का मजबूत जोड़ है भाई. टूटेगा नहीं. Fact number 10. Thumbs have their own pulse. Okay. You can easily check your pulse on the inside of your wrist below the thumb. Gently place 2 fingers of other hand on this artery. Do not use your thumb because it has its own pulse that you may feel. Count the beats per 30 seconds. Then double the result to get beats per minute. So calculate your pulse and comment below. That's all for today's video. Thank you. If you're still watching this video with me, then don't forget to comment, like and share. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then click on the logo popping up on your screen and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you receive the notification when we post a video for you. See you soon.